Imagine investing for 10 years and making 3 mistakes so costly they could have derailed your entire financial future. Well, that is exactly what happened to me, and today I'm going to reveal these mistakes so you can avoid them and achieve your investment goals faster than I did. Hi, I am Steven, the host of the Money Mentor Hub on YouTube. With a decade of experience in investment banking and as a key finance executive in Fortune 500 companies, I have seen it all. The good, the bad, and the downright disastrous. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could save you years of setbacks and thousands of dollars. In this video, I will share my personal journey through the turbulent waters of investing, exposing the 3 costly mistakes that held me back. More importantly, I will show you how to sidestep these pitfalls and set yourself up for financial success. And trust me, the 3rd mistake is something even seasoned investors continue to struggle with, so you will want to hear this one. Over the past decade, I have had the privilege of navigating the markets, learning invaluable lessons about what works and what does not. I am not ashamed to admit that I stumbled more than once, but each misstep taught me something new, and today I am excited to pass those lessons on to you. When it comes to investing, many of us fall into common traps. We get swept up in the excitement of quick profits, let our emotions dictate our decisions, or skip the necessary homework before diving in. I have been guilty of all these, and I'm sure many of you can relate. The truth is, investing is a journey, not a destination. It demands discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn from our mistakes. We have all been there. You spot a hot stock or a trendy investment opportunity and feel an irresistible urge to jump on the bandwagon. You convince yourself that you are making an informed decision, but in reality, you are just following the crowd. I have done it, and perhaps you have too. The problem is that when the market shifts, you are left wondering what went wrong. Emotions like fear, greed, and anxiety can cloud our judgment. I have bought stocks because I was afraid of missing out and sold others out of fear of further losses. But here's the hard truth. Emotions have no place in investing. To succeed, we need to stay calm, disciplined, and focused on our long-term objectives. Another pitfall is neglecting due diligence. Skipping the research, failing to analyze data, and not fully understanding an investment can lead to disastrous results. I have fallen into this trap, relying on others' opinions or getting swayed by hype. It cost me dearly, but it also taught me the importance of doing my own homework. Now, let me share the 3 major mistakes I made during my investing journey, starting with the one that nearly wiped out my portfolio. Mistake number 1, investing in hype over substance. I got caught up in the excitement of a new technology company that everyone was talking about. Without conducting proper research, I poured money into it. I ignored the warning signs, unstable financials, inexperienced management, and an unproven business model. When the hype faded, so did my investment. This taught me the crucial lesson of thoroughly researching and understanding a company before investing. Coming up next is a mistake that many investors make, and it can be even more devastating than the first. Stay tuned, because avoiding this could save you from significant losses. Mistake number 2, failing to diversify my portfolio. I was so confident in a particular sector that I invested heavily in it, neglecting other opportunities. When that sector took a hit, my portfolio suffered immensely. I learned the hard way that putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky strategy. Diversification is not just a buzzword, it is a fundamental principle of risk management. Remember, the market is unpredictable. Spreading your investments across different assets can cushion the blow when one sector underperforms. It balances risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Now, the 3rd mistake is one that even experienced investors struggle with, and it might just be the most important lesson of all. Mistake number 3, lacking a long-term perspective. I was chasing short-term gains, constantly buying and selling based on market fluctuations. This not only racked up transaction costs, but also caused me to miss out on the benefits of compounding returns. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience and a focus on long-term growth rather than immediate gratification. By constantly reacting to the market's ups and downs, I was sabotaging my own success. Once I adopted a long-term mindset, my portfolio began to grow steadily, and I experienced far less stress. The most significant lesson from these mistakes is the importance of having a solid investment strategy. It is not about making quick profits or following the crowd. It is about making informed decisions aligned with your long-term goals. It is about being patient, disciplined, and staying the course even when the market gets rocky. If you are finding value in these insights, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. As I reflect on my 10-year investing journey, I realized that these mistakes, while costly, were invaluable learning experiences. They transformed my approach to investing and set me on a path toward true financial success. I hope that by sharing my story, you can avoid these pitfalls and accelerate your own journey to wealth. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It is how you learn from them that counts. Do not be discouraged by setbacks. Use them as stepping stones toward your goals. I would love to hear about your own investing experiences. Have you made mistakes that taught you valuable lessons? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together. Before you go, make sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. In it, I share some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving long-term success in the markets. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.